The Essen Welding and Cutting Exhibition has just concluded, and the bustling scene at our booth is still vivid in my mind. This time, we showcased our latest technology and cutting-edge welding processes, engaging in technical exchanges with our peers, and attracting customers from around the world. We conducted on-site welding demonstrators and had in-depth discussions with our clients. With the trust and expectations of our customers, we will continue to deepen our expertise in the intelligent welding and cutting industry, providing a perfect solution for every customer with automation needs.